Welcome back to the podcast, and today we have guests.
It's going to be an interesting episode. We have here X and Nikki.
Hi, I'm X. I'm the operations manager of the Garden Hive Events Place in Antipolo. So we're a venue. We cater weddings, parties, actually anything that you want to celebrate.
Hi, I'm Nikki. I currently serve as president of HMD Armada HR Solutions. We are a corporate training, team building events company.
Bakit biglang...
Naging
Tapos
formal.
natin mag-shoot, ay mag-chikahan kanina.
Biglang formal.
Oo, biglang
Oo
ang
nga
formal.
eh. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo may ano ako na hindi ko sinasadya. Yun lang.
Isa yan sa mga nuances, but it's going to be an interesting episode because of medyo mainit-init na topic on Nepo babies. X here and Nikki are COOs.
COOs.
Yun yung term na parang colloquial term, children of owners. Pero at the same time, they have the immense responsibility of carrying on the businesses that their parents built. We're going to have some questions for them. And simulan natin sa pressure. Dahil paborito nating topic yan na forever may pressure. What kind of pressure comes with inheriting a family legacy? Sino gusto mo na?
Nikki muna.
Ikaw,
Ano muna? Nauna ako.
shucks. Teka, pwede naman mag-isip, di ba?
Yeah.
Well, running a business in itself, pressure na siya. Di ba? Parang the everyday, hitting the targets, yung financial. Sometimes, hindi mo alam kung kanino mo papatunayan yung sarili mo, kung sa world, sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, or sa nanay mo, or sa magulang mo. So, may mga different types of pressure na kasama on top of the day-to-day pressure na kailangan. Because the business is only 2 years old. So, yung, alam mo yun, syempre, you're building that business into stability, at least for me, for now. So, iba yung pressure of running a startup per se, on top of may identity pressure siyang kasama.
True.
May times na you're confident of yourself, may times that you doubt yourself kasi your parents are at a certain,
Love.
di ba? Meron na
yeah.
silang narating eh.
Ah,
And sometimes they project that on you. Na, syempre gusto ko ganito ka rin. Kasi ito na ako at your age eh. Ito ka rin dapat.
oh my God.
Tinamaan ang lahat.
Oo eh.
Umilag lahat parang...
Oo.
May bahay na sila at this age.
Oo.
Hindi, pero totoo.
Oo.
Actually, continuation. Kasi parang same. Ikaw continue ko lang So, same eh. Ganun rin. Parang na isang araw, ilang taon ka na ba this year, anak? Tapos parang, mga 37. Anong 37 ako? Andyan na kayong tatlo, palipat na tayo ng bahay. Tapos parang, So, yun. Pero hindi. Actually, what they mean is, they mean well, diba?
Yeah.
Yung pressure na yun, alam ko naman ever since bata pa tayo, ganun. Parang pressure sa school, pressure na mag-achieve ka ng certain grade, pressure na graduate ng college, ganyan. Tapos pressure na magandang job.
Correct.
Naalala ko pa nun, before ako magtrabaho, meron time na nag-PlayStation lang ako, nag-net. Yung gano'n, hindi pa uso Netflix, DVD pa yata yun. Yung parang tamad lang ako. Girl, parang anak, nung time na yan, kumakahid na kami, ganyan. So, pero kasi, binild naman na nila talaga yung sarili nila. So, going back dun sa sinabi ni Nikki, na-build nila yung sarili nilang name on their own eh.
Yeah.
Wala silang katulad namin eh.
Ah.
Hindi sila parang, walang jump start eh. Sila talaga from scratch.
Okay.
In relation to that, so how does your family's expectation shape your career?
Actually, na-build naman nila well. Kasi parang, ako, I'm happy naman with where I am right now. Yung mga experiences before, nag-ano tayo, parang na-build siya into what we are now.
Okay.
Parang for every step, kunyari, nung high school, ganyan, varsity ka, discipline, sacrifice. Nung college, Ateneo, hello, bago ka makagraduate doon, accounting pa lang. Kasi, business econ, so, accounting pa lang, di ba? Parang tutor pa ako noon. Isipin mo, di ba? Feeling ko matalino na ako sa math, pero hindi. Di ba? So parang every time, parang pinapa-feel rin sa'yo ng world na parang, uy, kailangan mo laging umangat.
Oh,
Kailangan mo
step
laging
up ka.
step up palagi. So, I guess hanggang ngayon ganun.
Plus ate.
Plus ate.
Step up lagi.
Oo, so parang forever may pressure. Alam ko naman di yan mawawala sa life.
Oo.
Pero ano siya, naging maganda siya na may pressure. Pero at the same time, syempre, yun rin, kailangan mo rin humanap ng outlet niya.
Okay, so itong Garden Hive, you mentioned before tayo nag-shoot na 10 years. Tapos sa inyo,
Magto-two.
kaka-establish 2 years. So, nakagraduate na kayo ng college by the time na, so meron na kayong mga sarili ninyong careers during that period. How was the transition from your own careers and your own life? Paano tumawid yun papunta sa sasama ako sa magulang ko or I will take this on with them na?
Parang as a daughter, you want to help. Pag sinabi na, oy, kailangan ka, you step in lang.
Baka asan ate?
As an ate.
That's a very panganay. Yung kasi, as a bunso, parang, ha? Kasama ako.
Natatawa yung kapatid ko sa gilid. Yun. Pag sinabi nila, di, sige, o nga naman, it might be, instead of you parang putting in your effort for another company, why not this one na, at least sa family mo na, sa parents mo na. So,
Continuing again. Kasi same ulit eh. Kasi yun nga, pag tinawag ka as panganay, parang lagi kang dapat nandyan. Actually, nasanay ka na eh. Dati nagre-reklamo ka pa ng bata ka. Pero para na siyang instinct. So parang once they call you, oh, sure.
Okay.
oo, no,
Ganon.
yes, oo.
Diba? Parang instinct na siya eh. Parang, okay, sure. Wala, hindi na nga masama sa loob mo eh. Parang, okay, go.
Yeah, ikaw yung ano. Di ba pinag-usapan natin doon sa chat na
Oo.
si ate ka eh. So, ikaw si Google, ikaw si ChatGPT. Parang pwede naman nilang i-Google pero itetext sa'yo, ganyan.
Sorry, ates.
But yung sa companies ninyo, since para kang employee and child at the same time eh. Do they measure merit pa rin? Do they make you report? How is it? Kasi naririnig natin to na sana all tagapagmana, di ba? Sana all eredera, parang ganyan. So,
Is it that easy? Parang, yun kasi yung connotation eh. Parang, andali kasi nakaset na.
so,
It's, siguro yes, tama, may jump off point. Pero setting it up is a different story. The work that you put in every day to get to a certain place where the business needs to be. At least for me, the business started as, okay, this will be the capital for this business. Patakbuhin mo, palaguin mo. So that's the parameters I work around.
para bang ganun ka?
Oo, na it's
Ganun lang po ba?
it's a jump off point. Yes, it's a privilege. Pero yung, of course, nagbaburn yan eh. So if you don't put in the work, wala. It will not also stand in itself. Yes, the parents are there and all of that. Pero I guess there's still a discipline na, oy, this is what we put in. Job mo na to make it expand in.
So dito, hindi na ako continuing kasi magkaiba kami ng start. So nag-start siya na, okay, this is the capital and all. Sige, go. Diba? Dito kasi, okay, meron na.
Oo.
Meron ng tao, meron ng structure, meron na lahat. Tapos, uy, kailangan na kita. Quit ka na dyan sa corporate job mo. Enjoy pa ako sa Makati. Mag-green belt ako every Friday night eh. Diba? Yung ganon. Nag-i-enjoy
buhay
pa ako.
dalaga pa talaga.
I know, right? Tapos ganon. Tapos, syempre, ito kasi wala akong weekend. Kasi weekend yung mga events,
Yes,
diba?
oo.
So, talagang nag-change. Pero yun nga, hindi na siya continuing kasi sa akin meron ng specific, parang meron ng naka-build. Tapos papasok ako. Syempre, pag bagong pasok ka, gusto mo baguhin lahat.
Okay.
Gusto mo baguhin lahat para mag-work yung strategy mo.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, so since gusto kong baguhin lahat, okay, sige, may go signal naman nila, pero lahat ng binago ko, dumaan sa kanila. May presentation, ba't mo babaguhin to? HR pa lang nga, kasi HR, finance, marketing, lahat naman tayo, di ba?
No.
Diba?
All in one.
Oo, diba? So, lahat yun. So, gusto kong, ganito yung marketing. Gusto ko ng website, gusto ko ng Facebook ko, ganito na. Gusto ko yung mga tao, ganito yung maging everyday nila. Lahat yan, parang, unti-unting change.
Okay.
Pero hindi siya one click eh. Diba? Hindi siya one click.
Kasi
Parang,
pinag-umpis.
exactly. So, diba? Gano'ng kahirap mag-change? Kahit sa tao diba? Gano'ng kunyari, hindi ka nag-exercise, bigla ka mag-exercise. May pain.
Aha.
Diba?
Resistance.
May resistance. Lahat yan. Yun yung difference. parang mahirap rin mag-start, pero mahirap rin pumasok ng meron
Meron
na.
na.
Oo.
Sige, kasi galing ka sa corporate. So, which one, if you can answer, is harder? Since, syempre, sa corporate, nagpe-presentation ka din. So,
Yeah.
to-prove mo rin yung output mo. So, may PowerPoint din yan, ganyan. Pero, what's the difference between presenting it to your boss in a corporation and to, technically, your boss?
Na your
Who are your
parents.
parents?
Yeah. May difference ba? Preparation-wise?
Oo.
Iba nga rin yung fear eh.
Di ba nag-start tayo sa pressure? Yun. Mas may added pressure since na meron jumpstart. So, iniisip nila, meron ka ng jumpstart, dapat mas maganda
Or do
presentation.
you have what it takes? Oo, no? Yeah.
Ako kasi nung pumasok ko dito, iniisip ko actually, sa totoo lang baka 5 years lang yan. Tapos, okay na.
Hayaan ka na nila.
Oo, parang inayos ko na to.
Oo, tapos
Parang,
you're gonna do what
okay na ako,
you
ah.
want na.
Oo.
Okay.
Ngayon kasi, syempre,
Now, on your 6th year,
andito pa rin ako. Hindi, parang ngayon kasi parang feel ko after year 2, year 3. Year 2, year 3 ko pandemic.
Oo.
Nung time na yan, parang pinapili ako. Kasi nung pandemic, lahat ng corporate merong stable income eh.
Oo.
Ako, my God, nagbebenta ako ng biomat. Alam mo yung biomat?
Oo.
Yung mga test kits, di ba?
Oo.
Naalala niyo ba yung mga
Kasi syempre, lalo na sa inyo, may
Events,
hotel kayo, wala din kayong event, walang magbubook.
Zero talaga. Tapos nakita ko yung mga iba, okay, naka-zoom lang sila, meron silang Sa amin talaga, business ka, yan pinili mo. Di sige, mag-business ka ngayon.
Ganon.
Pero, ano yan naging challenge. So parang feel ko wala na akong pera. Wala na akong pera.
Ganda na sinabi mo na,
Oo.
kahit ako sinasabi, huwag ka mamili ng kliyente. For the startup na sige, go ka lang ng go at
Oo.
first. 'Di ba? Para makuha mo yung ganong work.
Yeah.
Oo.
Tapos going back to the question kanina na ba't iba yung pressure? Siguro because my personal relationship
Saka syempre,
na it goes beyond the office.
Oo.
Uuwi yan, 'di ba? Mauuwi nyo.
Tsaka pangalan ka, gusto laging magaling ka.
Oh, you set the standard.
Kaya
Oo.
naman kayo mga panganay, okay lang. Ako, sasabihin ko, okay lang yan.
Pero kunyari, if hindi sa'yo una i-offer, tapos i-offer dun sa dalawa, would they step in?
I'm
Kunyari,
not
hindi
really sure, pero feel ko magko-consult sila sa akin.
Oh,
Alam mo yung parang, uy, ayaw mo talaga. Yung gano'n, yung parang, alam
ikaw muna
Ate,
talaga.
bakit ako yung kinakausap?
Diba?
Wala lang.
Oo.
ay, sure ka ba ayaw mo?
Oo, ikaw muna.
Oo.
So, do you think na yung term na Nepo babies, in your situation, is it fair to use that term? I know medyo na negative na demonize siya in 2025, no? And that's the reason kung ba't tayo may episode na to put a different light. Pero kayo, in this situation na, yes, may minana ako, pero at the same time, it's not a walk in the park. I still do my reports. I'm still accountable to them. Do you think it's a fair term?
Kasi yung context ng Nepo baby ngayon is hindi mo pinaghirapan eh. Yung
Ah.
parang, di ba, yung parang, yung they're not, I mean, with social media, if that's the context, the people who barely do anything yet are okay. Well, for lack of better words.
With the 700,000
with
dinner.
with excess. So, may explain na parang, okay, Nepo, because yes, tama, not everybody gets to have a business. Pero not Nepo in a sense that there's still a part of it that you earn it kasi. Kasi pinagtatrabahuan mo siya, pinaghirapan mo siya araw-araw. Hindi lang siya like you're not lying down on green grass and just the money is just coming in. So, the work it takes to really keep the business in that sense will be unfair.
Yeah, in your case kasi, di ba, you said you're president that was given na ito yung role mo. Pero at the same time, ikaw din yung nagtitraining eh.
Oo, di ba?
So,
Ikaw din yung trainer eh.
Diba?
Ikaw nga lahat.
Lahat. Marketing.
Ikaw pa magsushoot ng marketing materials mo.
Nag-edit.
Ngayon na iba nga yung talagang
Sorry.
talagang demonize yung term.
Oo.
Because
Oh, right.
yung what we saw or what we see now is talagang ano bang trabaho nitong mga to? Diba? Parang bakit ganyan? Bakit ganun? Pero before this big issue, Hollywood usually yung mga Nepo babies connected with but still, they're there because of their connections. Pero, nag-shooting sila. Diba? Nag-act sila. So, parang at the same...
Yung meron pa rin silang input.
May input.
Oh, yun.
Oo.
For me, unfair. Lalo na, pinaka-nainis ako pag sinabi, sana all Kunyari,
yeah.
Abby, alam mo to may bago akong shoes.
Oh.
Uy, sana all, may bagong
Oo.
Kobe. Girl, hindi mo alam yung mga puyat, hirap.
Sa office, like, diba, yung sa dad ko nga when I worked there, yung una mong pasok na, ay, andito lang yan kasi, yung i-doubt talaga muna nila yung skills mo na,
Yeah,
ay,
yeah.
marketing manager yan kasi dati sila yung may
anak kasi ng may
Ano,
Manager ka agad.
yun yung
parang
isang pressure na kailangan mo
Oo.
improve na, no, I'm my own person. Kaya ko to. I was prepared
Separate,
for this,
oo.
diba? I think kaya ko. I mean, I was built for this, na mindset na rin ako for this. Pero there's so many eyes talaga na, uy,
ginadjudge.
oo na, yun yung may ganong nepo connotation na, ay, nandito lang yan because anak yan ng owner.
So, meron bang parang mas may added discrimination or added eye na tinitingnan? Kasi kung lalaki, parang gano'n, parang mas madali ba? Na
Dahil babae.
dahil babae kayo. Kung ba sa business ng dad mo, pumasok ka, dad mo yung in command nung sabi mo, mga tito mo, ganyan. Tapos biglang entering a pretty girl. You know, na biglang,
Sweet girl.
Sweet girl, I'm wearing pink suit. And, so, parang, okay, I'm in command now.
On my dad's side, because we had partners also there, mas preference talaga nila yung lalaki because yung business planta eh.
Ah,
So,
yeah.
yun yung isa na parang,
Male-dominated
oo,
talaga.
may ganong doubts. Pero for me, like in leadership now, yung pinaka-ayoko, it does grace your mind na sometimes pag nagalit ka, na-judge ka na because emotional yan kasi babae. So sometimes, but no, you know you're in the right, valid yung galit. Parang,
Hormonal siya.
oo,
Ganon.
rational yung galit mo. And when you make emotional react, or when you, versus a man getting angry during a meeting and a woman getting angry during a meeting, may connotation agad na irrational yung galit ng babae. Kasi emotions niya yun. Pero I doubt men receive that.
True.
So, in leadership, I guess yun yung pinaka-challenge for me. Minsan naisip ko yan, na kung lalaki ako, tas
Baka mas madali.
baka iba. Yun yung hardest.
Hindi, sa akin hindi. Mas gusto ko na girl ako. Kasi mas nakaka-relate. Well, I guess it depends on the industry.
Yeah. So, weddings,
Kasi ito,
baptismals.
weddings, lahat ng kaartihan girl. Diba? Flowers. diba? Ay, magandang design. So, parang kung lalaki ako, tapos design, parang mas believable ako kung girl ako.
Okay. So, industry-wise talaga.
Yeah, industry-wise. So, yung sinabi ni Nikki, fine. Pag siguro sinabi nila na parang, galit na naman si Ma'am X, ganyan. Kasi emotional, baka meron yan, ganyan. Sa ganong situation. Pero sa iba, para mas okay, mas beneficial for me na girl.
Yeah, I can imagine. For you, you see the benefit in, I'm sure hina-harness mo yan, Mars, kung ano yung,
Syempre.
Harness mo talaga na girl ka. So, kahit sa akin sa industry talaga.
Oo, but
Girl ako eh.
take mo na lahat ng kaya mong i-take, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang beneficial to for me. Di sige, go. Bridal fair, meron akong kasama. Kunyari, katabi kong booth, lalaki nagbebenta versus ako. Akin to. I got this.
yeah, gagamitin mo na yung pagkababae mo doon. Kasi for sure, I'm sure,
Di
sa
ba?
mga sitwasyon na yan, gagamitin din ng lalaki pagkalalaki nila.
Yun
When
nga.
it's beneficial for them.
Oo. So, parang, di-take mo lahat ng kaya mo
Negosyo naman to. Well, you're not doing anything unethical or illegal naman at that point.
Pero sa akin, I feel it. Na-enjoy ko yun na underestimated ako eh. Bago ako mag-perform.
Oo.
So, diba?
Hindi sila nagre-ready sa'yo.
Hindi sila talaga nagre-ready. Tapos, I enjoy it na, piko na sila.
Para may clap back eh.
Sorry, ganyan. So,
Sa inyo, personally, so we talked about your family, your challenges. Looking ahead, have you set your personal goals intertwined with the goals of or the growth of your companies?
Actually, isang araw, sinasabi ko na to. Sama ko yung friends ko. Sabi ko, alam mo ang galing no, yung branding ng company mo, parang ikaw na.
wow.
That's
Congratulations.
nice.
Parang ganun, parang feel ko, yung branding ng company ko, parang iniisip ko, si X to. Pag may ibang naghawak, alam mong hindi si X to.
Oh, that's good.
Ganda.
So, may ganun. So, parang feel ko, na-entertain ko na ng ganun. Kasi, syempre, andito na ako eh. Parang ako kasi, it's all or nothing eh. Parang,
okay.
since nandito na ako, boost ko na lahat.
So, ikaw, Nikki,
Ano ulit yung question?
na-intertwine mo na ba yung siguro
Yung
yung how you set your goals? Alam ko ikaw, nag-goal setting ka talaga. Ikaw ba, minerge mo na yung ikaw as a person and HMD as a company?
Oo. For the long haul. Kasi ito nang RNA nandito, why not? Might as well.
Give it all.
Oo, give it all. Tapos, generational thinking. I mean, I have siblings. Gusto ko rin that it'll stand na like, ikaw, kila Anton.
Yeah, tsaka magiging proud ka na pa. Hey,
Oo.
it's me! It's me! Oo, diba? Parang, andyan ka ni Eddie.
Gawin mo na.
Oo, gawin mo na.
Okay, so last question. Babasahin ko na para What does it take for someone with inherited access to build independent credibility?
Yung nepo sometimes. One, may comparison. Number two, that's also a standard na gusto mo. If they say, ay, si Miss Dawn, like, may mom galing yan, or she's matapang, she's matalino, ganyan.
Tapos kamukha mo pa.
Tapos kamukha mo. Lagi
Added
sinasabi.
pressure.
Tapos kamukha mo. Tapos the network is also the same, di ba? Yung umpisahan mo network, yun din yung gagalawan mo. So, minsan, it's good kasi they expect the same from you.
Mhm.
So, going back to the question of parang independent credibility, even if yung network, ganun na yung tingin sa'yo initially, it still takes multiple interactions, di ba? To prove that thought of you na, ay, ganun din siya, or ganito siya. For me, independent credibility is built through showing up,
Yeah.
being everyday.
Showing
Alam
up
mo yun?
every-
Yung,
Hindi sapat na napakilala ka lang ni mother.
Oo.
Ako yung anak ni ganito.
and excellent work. Kasi that will build who you are apart from who your family is. And then you'll find yourself in the middle of it, who you want to be. Like si HMD Armada, the gold standard. Parang yun yung gusto namin na, okay, let's set this standard for other companies as well. And we slowly build that. Hindi naman siya, branding eh, diba? Hindi naman siya isang biglaan.
Yeah.
No.
Through the little interactions. So, ano lang siya? Faithfulness everyday talaga.
I
It's
love
an
that.
everyday chore.
Faithfulness sa everyday.
Oo. And then,
Showing up. Because
Totoo naman.
Kasi nga, yun nga, yung hindi naman gumising ka at dahil ikaw yung carrier ng apelido,
right.
automatic na rin na ganun din yung
Mm.
performance or output. Merong
Mm.
expectation, pero you still have to work through it. Ikaw.
Sa akin actually, same. Kasi it's not going to be easy every day.
Mhm.
Every day may mga days na madali, mahirap. Pero if you keep on showing up, parang lahat yan mag-average out. Para okay, kala ko mahirap na ng isang araw, madali lang pala yun.
Okay.
Parang feel ko, binibuild mo rin yung skill mo through time. Yung parang, okay, dati mahirap to for me.
Oo.
Ngayon, madali na. If you keep on showing up, eventually, mas feel ko gagaan.
Mhm.
So, kailangan mo lang rin to push harder, to be better. Better every day, sabi nga, di ba?
Tsaka yung PC, yung capacity mo.
Yeah.
Kunyari, pressure.
Yeah.
Oo.
Tapos if you get used to that pressure, yung capacity mo rin.
Oo.
Parang
Nag-expand. Oo.
Sige, pasingit ako ng isang question. Kasi tanong tayo ng pressure, fear, challenge nila. Ano naman ang advantage ng pagiging COO?
Ayun yan.
Grabe, ganun ba ko walang advantage?
Hindi, doon tayo sa madali. Advantage time. Parang, time talaga, time. Kasi dati, syempre, pasok ka 8 to 5.
Clock in ka talaga.
Clock in, clock out, 8 to 5. Traffic pa, Makati pa. Ilang oras yun. Ngayon kasi parang papasok ka, pag alam mong kailangan ka.
Okay.
Okay, hindi ko sinabing pwede kang hindi pumasok ng 1 linggo
Oo.
Never ko yung ginawa.
Okay.
Okay, kung hindi man ako papasok, report. Alam mo yun, laging
Things are
merong,
handled, kaya
Yeah.
hindi ako papasok ngayon.
oo. So, parang for me, pinaka-advantage is time. May
Okay.
time ako sa family, may time ako sa anak, may time ako mag-sports,
Mhm.
may time ako mag-pickleball, mag-basketball. May time ako sa mga bagay. Unlike before na parang kahit na wala akong ginagawa, 8 to 5 ka, diyan ka. Oo. So ngayon, kung ima-manage mo yung time mo Kunyari, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, work ako. Hard work. Thursday, Friday, chill. Kaya ko na yan. Kasi,
Tapos banat uli ng weekend.
Yes.
Kasi
Yun
may
na
off
yun.
kayo.
Yun na yung
Oo.
event.
What about you?
Same.
Mm.
Flexibility.
yeah.
Di ba yung nakaka-job? Pwede kang mawala ng 2 weeks.
Oo.
Tapos tumatakbo siya. Ano ba? meron ka ring legacy na naumpisahan na somehow because you're the one there already. So may ganun ding opportunity na pwede mo sabihin na, ay, pag natawid na,
Yeah,
alam mo yun,
yeah.
ay, kami na to.
Lalo na after pandemic, no? Parang,
Sa'yo, so...
tap on the back na parang,
Oh,
I'm
Nasa-
still here, I survived this.
I got this.
Grabe.
Grabe,
Oo,
events, no, during the pandemic.
Oo, parang once natawid mo, parang ibang tao ka na eh. Kasi talagang walang event noon, girl.
Oo, totoo yan.
Meron pang isa pa.
Mm.
Parang feel ko since Nepo baby ka, madali yung mga, kunyari, may pupuntahan ka, hanapin mo si Tita Ganto. Si Tita Ganto sa Ganto.
Network talaga.
Oo.
Network nila.
Yun pa, network
Yun yung
nila.
maganda.
Oo.
Yung connection ng family mo na ang daling makapasok. It gets you through the door.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero it's what
Easier.
you do that will make you stay.
The repeat
Oo.
from, yung repeat na yun.
Mm-mm.
Diba?
Siyempre, kung balahura ka, hindi pinalabas ka ulit, di ba?
Oo.
Actually, may dadagdag lang rin ako. Kasi alam ko si Nikki, athlete yan, taekwondo. Taekwondo swimming. Diba? Tapos ako basketball. So, feel ko kasi yung training.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
discipline
oo.
talaga.
Actually, pang
And-
essay ko yun dati. Hindi kasi, wala naman ako masyadong sinarihan na extracurricular other than sports. Pero the training, it gives you, gising ka ng 5 kasi training mo ng 7 or yung mga ganun.
Saka kahit masakit na, push mo,
Push
tatapusin
mo
na
na
yung
yun.
drill.
Oo.
Yeah.
And yung baksak ka, tapos tayo ka kaagad. Siyempre, contact sports yung mga natin, diba? It really helps. And sinabi mo the building,
Oo.
ah,
Character
every
building.
day, you just have to show up. Parang yung background din kasi na binigay ng parents natin, technically sa education natin, is one way of preparing you to take on the job.
Mm.
Oo.
Sa sports, parang it prepared us early. Yung definition ng win and loss.
Oo.
Tapos parang dun at bata pa lang, medyo
Yes.
pag naiintindihan mo na yun when you have a sport na not every game you win.
Yes.
And how you will take the losses.
Yes.
Oo.
Actually, yun nga, mas gusto ko pa nga natatalo eh. Because when you lose, you learn.
Yeah.
And when you learn, you improve.
Saka, yung,
Oo,
especially
diba?
with that background, you already know how it feels to win eh.
Yeah.
It's so good. So,
Yeah.
it's the loss that makes that win sweeter.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
any tips for those na posibleng nasa posisyon ninyo before kayo nag-jump?
When you're there, you give it your all.
Okay.
Kasi, unang-una, hindi lahat merong opportunity.
Tama.
Oh, pangalawa, nandiyan ka na, girl. Ayusin mo na.
Oo.
Diba? Parang kasi, nandiyan ka na kaysa sayangin mo.
Tama.
Ano, binigay sa'yo, tapos balahura, bahala na,
Oo,
diba?
oo.
Nakakahiya rin siya for the family
Aha.
and for yourself. Kasi parang hindi ka pinag-aral para sayangin.
Oo.
Yun nga, sabi mo kanina, yung win,
Mm.
gusto mo palagi ang panalo. So, para manalo ka, ano mo gagawin?
Yeah.
Ayusin mo.
Galingan mo na.
Oo.
Mm.
Love winning.
Well, one, courage. Courage talaga.
Mm-mm.
But it takes courage minsan to wake up every day. And then, when you don't feel courageous, show up. That's half the battle. When you're there, when you show up, you don't know what's gonna happen eh. A lot of things happen when you show up.
Para rin magkaroon ka ng courage eh, you have to improve.
Mm.
Kasi, saan ka kuha ng courage? Puro yabang ka lang, wala ka naman.
Oo.
Improve mo rin, mag-aral ka rin, magbasa ka rin, di ba? Parang,
Self-improvement.
oh, parang feel ko kasi when you stop, yun na yun eh. Magiging lenient ka na.
Yun yung difference ng corporate and family, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi sa corporate, like, continuous learning and all of
Mm-mm.
that. So, sa family, minsan talaga self-improvement. Kasi hindi, wala na,
You
gawa.
take that on.
Galing na
So,
sa'yo.
oo.
Galing na
So,
sa'yo.
kailangan mo talagang maghanap ng ways para
Oo.
mag-improve ka.
Sipag mo talaga
Oo.
yung kalaban mo yan.
Mm-mm.
Siyempre kung ayaw mo today, edi wala kang pera.
Totoo. Sa totoo lang, kasi ako kasi pag tamad ka today, wala akong booking next year.
Exactly.
Oo, yan.
Di ba?
Nag-ano siya, ikaw connection.
Hindi siya ngayon lang. In the future, yung katamaran mo ngayon,
Oo.
magte-take effect siya in the future. O di, magtanim ka na ngayon para
Yeah.
travel ka na lang.
Yung travel naman yung time of growing eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Nag-grow
Pag
pa siya.
pag nag-reporting ng FS, mararamdaman mo yun eh. Alam mo yung araw na parang, ay, teka, pagod talaga ako today. Tapos may kita mo shocks. Kunyari lang may kulang doon sa FS.
Yan, natulog ako.
Yan yung naman ako.
Oo, lumalabas talaga siya. So, yung accountability instant din, yung
Oo.
reflection niya.
Oo. Parang, ito tamad ako, okay, bumaba.
Yan. Ito yung panahon na 5 days a week nag-basketball ka.
Kailangan ko siya ngayon.
So, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nikki X, thank you for your time. And we'll see you on the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Avi and Den would like to thank the Garden Hive Events Place and HM Dear Mata HR Solutions Corporation for joining us in this episode.